always like keep myself busy in something another. Always. I don't want to
Great,
sit idle
great.
away and watching reels, and I don't have any social media account. I think
Oh,
it's a wasting of time. So I utilize my time in my improving myself. So I feel like every day I feel I am a better version of myself, you know. So I'm learning and I'm working on that.
very good lesson. Good lesson for all the homemakers who are watching this video out there. Ma'am, as we are connecting for the very first time, so I would like to know something more about you. So may I know?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So, ma'am, I am Pramila Jain. I hail from Madhya Pradesh and I am a retired teacher. I have been served my Vidyalaya at least 25 years. And
Oh,
at the time of COVID, I took VRS due to my physical health. I was not able to continue my job, so that's why I had to like took
quick.
VRS. Yeah, VRS, and now I am like you can say retired teacher and enthusiastic learner also because I was also passionate about this language from my childhood. So, but I completed my whole education like masters. I have done masters in sociology and Hindi literature, but my medium was Hindi. So that's why I couldn't follow this passion. But now I am totally free, so I thought just do some productive. And I have been watching so many YouTube videos of yours and other YouTubers. So I am nowadays
That's
very
great.
like inspired for all, from all of you. So I thought just send a message to ma'am. And yeah, I am like feeling very glad I'm connecting with you and talking with you, and you are a nowadays like you are a great inspiration for all the women.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So
Like, I'm speechless. I have nothing to say.
no, ma'am, you deserve it. You deserve this, yeah, because there are lots of women they want to, but action required. Simply like we
Action
are
is,
thinking we have to do it will not work if you are not taking any action. Then you are
hmm,
not able to do anything. So, and if you are taking actions and having pragmatic approach about this, then you can. Nothing is impossible in this world. If you
nothing.
think, then definitely you can.
It's all about our belief. It's all about our
Right.
beliefs. It's all about
Correct.
whatever we think, means our mindset always decides our future.
Correct.
Yeah. So, ma'am, as
Yes.
you mentioned, you were in the service for 25 years as a teacher. So,
Right.
by the way, what were you teaching?
Yeah, I was a primary teacher. So in teacher, like there is no specific subject. We have to teach all the subjects. But I was very passionate about this language, so I always request principal to provide me English and maths routines so I can improve my English. So yeah, I taught especially English and maths to the students of primary classes.
So, did you provide your services, especially like what I was about to say? Miss, yeah, did you provide your services in a government sector or in private schools?
Government
Oh,
sectors. Nowadays, I am a pensioner also.
uh-huh.
Government sector, and I am a single parent.
Oh,
Yeah.
so by the way, what about your kids?
Yeah, I have only one son, and he is working in USA. He is
US.
working as a software engineer there.
Is he married?
Yeah. Yeah. He got married in 23, and I have a granddaughter also, 10 months old.
Where is she?
Yeah.
Miss, where is?
She is in she is in USA, but now she is here because they came here for Diwali celebration. So yeah, they
Hmm.
are here. Yeah.
So nowadays you are just hanging out with your all family
Yeah.
members.
I am enjoying like dadi. Become a dadi, so I am feeling very proud.
That's great feeling. I think I think as you mentioned, your son and his own family, his whole family, they live in US. So that loneliness, how do you deal with that? Most of the most of the people, they always find it very challenging for them.
Right.
But how do
Yeah,
you
I am completely agree with you. But for me, I am feeling very proud to say you I am a very self-motivated person. I never like depend on anyone. Even when someone gives me the company, I will feel happy like that. Every time, whatever I want, I do. I never wait for anyone. Once someone inspire me, someone motivate me, I never wait for that. And when my son was like 1 year old, and I what I say like I raised my son with I faced lots of hardships in my life, and I raised my son. So now I am very confident, and I
now
feel
you have
like
become a
yeah,
bold lady?
yeah, whatever we want we can do. Just there is a great like motivation and willpower. If you have a strong willpower, then you can do everything. Nothing is impossible in this world.
Nothing is
And ups and downs are the like part of life, and
means
without ups and
as you're
downs we can't grow.
mentioning as you're mentioning means you have brought up your son when he was only 1 year old. Okay, so like facing the difficulties means personal problems are something different, but challenges which are given by the society, our neighbor, okay, they put many blames on you. So navigating through all those
But
things, we learn a lot from experiences. But I can say saying this thing, it's very easy to do when somebody is in that particular situation. Only that person can understand. Otherwise,
correct,
consoling someone, it's very easy. We can console somebody, we can show us sympathy. But when we really put ourselves in that person's shoes, then we get about the situation and about the problems. How has that person been tackling with all those things? Salute
right,
you, ma'am.
exactly.
Salute you. So, what about English? When did this thought pop up in your mind? Like, I will also work on my communication skill. What was
Yeah,
that time?
you are working. You are already working, and you are nowadays you are very popular. I have seen so many videos with so many YouTubers
Oh
of
my God.
yours, and I am great. And like you have been a great inspiration for all the community. You can say not only women's. So yeah, you are doing great job, and the nation needs the women like you. So they inspire the community and everybody like inspiration is required to do something. If we see something, if we connect with someone, then we also feel, oh, the person is doing like this, why can't I? So we also think
Yes, yes, yes,
started doing like
exactly.
yeah. So yeah, I always like interested to talk with the people like you, always, because society always needs the people who have great courage to fight with each and everyone, for our rights. And it's
For our
our
goals, for our dreams.
yeah, right, exactly. So we feel like we are alone. We alone are
I'm
in
the
this
only one
world.
who is dealing with all those things.
Yeah, nobody is with you. They are just for some time. We don't know. We are talking right now, and after 5 minutes, what is going to be happen? We don't aware about it. So just be
Yes,
like
yes.
that. We are alone and do whatever you want. Don't care about society and other people. They have to say every time. If you are doing something, then they also say. If you are not doing, you are sit like idled away. They will say. So they have to say every time. Don't care about that.
Yes, yes.
Just follow your passion. Just try to like shine like a sun every time.
Of course, ma'am, of course. If your blessings are with me, so definitely I'll keep trying. Not only for me, but for
Definitely.
all the homemakers out there who watch my videos, who get inspiration from my videos. But ma'am, I just want to know from you, means how long have you been in this journey? Means about English, or when did you watch my first video? Means when did you come across my video?
I think in the month of January
January.
2025 I started, yeah, I started my working on my English from January. It's my like new year resolution. So I thought just because I know basic grammar and all, but I am not fluent in speaking when I talk to someone. So sometimes I fumble, I like feel little bit nervous sometimes. But I have been worked as a teacher, so I have confidence also. But sometimes, because it's a matter of practice,
Yeah,
when you, as much as you practice, as much as you
as
become
much
fluent.
fluent you will become, and you will
Yeah,
feel comfortable with this language.
correct, correct. And words automatically comes out of your mouth like that. But speaking is required.
Speaking is must.
Right, exactly. Because after my retirement, when I took my VRS in 21, so after that 3 4 years I like didn't do anything. I just searching like bride for my son and all that. And when he got married, after that I visited my son USA 6 months, because we can't stay more than 6 months there. So I just visited, and after that I thought just do some productive, because we are totally free.
You
and
should
and
have
you
some
know
purpose.
yeah, and empty mind is a workshop of devils. When we sit free, then lots of negativity comes in our mind and we feel low and so many things. So I thought just do something, and I started watching YouTube conversational videos, and I am interested to listen some motivational speakers. So I got inspired all of them, and I started my journey. And especially from you, because you belong from village, and in spite of that you are doing so many great things, I must say. So it's a very, like, you are a role model for, especially for me and for all community, I would say.
Thank you,
So
thank you.
yeah, because once I saw your video, you are recording your video from field, you know
Yes,
so I thought,
yes,
oh
I
my
also work.
god.
Right now I don't, because currently I have started living separate from my in-laws.
Yeah,
Because now I have my goals. I just want to brush up my communication skill, because within 6 months I am thinking about starting my own spoken English institute nearby my village.
right.
So I have to work
Okay.
on it. So that's why it's kind of an exile for me for 6 months,
Yeah,
and then I will definitely do everything. But the moment when I started my journey, so at that time I had to do everything. Means English language was there, but apart from that, all the responsibilities which were on my shoulders, I have to do everything. I have to be the helping hand of my in-laws in everything. So I used to do everything. Still, yesterday itself, I went to my village. I spent some time with my all in-laws with my daughter, and I also spent some time in my agricultural field. So I love to be rooted. I just love to be grounded.
yeah, that is the great thing. And every human being have this type of, should have this type of feeling. If you want to excel in your career, so you must be grounded every time. If you are down to earth, so nobody can stop you. So
Yes,
yeah, it's a great thing.
but
It's a
I would like to mention one thing. In your life, everything is matter, but when it's come to achieving our dream, your sacrifice matters a lot. Sacrifice of
Yeah,
everything. Sacrifice of your comfort, sacrifice of your sleep, sacrifice of your food, means your meal, everything we have to sacrifice for the sake of achieving our dreams. So now I'm
right,
sacrificing the lovely moment, or the time which I can spend with my in-laws. There's no doubt. I can hang out with them, I can laugh with them. But for me right now, my future matters, because
right,
everything will wait for me, but this time will not wait for me. My career will not wait for me, because this time on YouTube everywhere there's lots of competition. So if you
Right.
if you don't want to be replaced by others, so you have to just keep walking. Otherwise, your place will be
Exactly.
taken by someone else.
Correct. True. Very much true. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because everywhere nowadays, like cutthroat competition is going on. So if you want to stand firm, then you should do lots of great things. Otherwise, nobody will listen you. You have to do something out of the box, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah,
And even the the moment, I think the time when I started my YouTube channel, at that time there were very few channels. But within 6 months, I have observed many YouTubers, many homemakers, they have started
yeah,
their YouTube channel not for the sake of earning money, but for the sake of learning English language, just to get partners
exactly.
for their speaking part.
Money is secondary thing. The prime thing is like if you are connecting with many people, so your confidence boost up, your knowledge also increased, and you learn so many things. So it
And
is
this is a very
required.
nice way. This is a very nice way to keep ourselves busy throughout the day. Otherwise, being a
Exactly.
homemaker, being a human, we have a tendency to think throughout the day only about why this happened with me, only the negative things. Mostly we focus only
Right.
on the negative things of our life. But this
Yeah, right.
thing that actually helps us to distract from those negative things, to be focused only on the positive goal
Right.
of ours.
Right.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I just want to ask from you, as you mentioned, you have been working on your communication skill since January. So, throughout the day, how do you try to maintain your consistency, especially regarding practice? What kind of practices do you do on daily basis?
Actually, like honestly, I say nothing special, but just I love to listen any like speaker, motivational speakers, some like Brahma Kumari's sister Shivani. I love to listen. Sometimes English conversational videos, English podcast, advanced vocabulary related short videos. So I listen a lot, and after that I talk with myself sometimes, and I jotted down if I love something like idioms and phrases. So I jotted down and read aloud with
Hmm.
like alone. I am alone at my home because nobody is with me. Son is in USA, so I have lots of time. So after completing my household chores, I love to write something, read something, and talking with someone, my friends. So yeah, this way I am improving. So just
Okay.
I thought ki do something special. So I want to also talk
Yes,
with
yes,
YouTubers, so it will be good for me.
you are doing great. You are on right path, ma'am. But I just want to mention here, I'm not just promoting my WhatsApp group, but I'm just asking you if you feel lonely, if you don't get partner for your practice. So I have created a WhatsApp group for ladies. So I just welcome you. You can join and you can make many friends, and you can practice with them whenever you feel like. And as you mentioned, means you have been working on it, but you are alone. You don't have anyone to speak with. You will get partners, not only partners, but you will make many friends whom with whom you can share everything, your feelings and everything. And even we will also get many chance to interact in future
Right, exactly.
as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because
I will definitely.
I just wanted to help many homemakers. They don't have
Yeah,
like they don't have any environment, they don't have anyone to speak with at their
right,
home.
exactly.
The
Yes.
difficulties which I faced, I don't want means learners who are working on their communication skill, I don't want them to face the same problem. So that's why
Because
I thought,
nowadays, nowadays so many AI applications are also there. But when we talk with AI applications, we don't have the vibes which we
yeah, we
feel
don't
like
get
you and me
same
are
vibe.
talking. So we are enjoying the conversation,
AI is
But when we
AI.
talk,
We can't replace a real human being with AI.
yeah. So yeah, we can learn, but we can't get the vibes. And we are human being and we are social being also. So being like we part of society, we need someone to talk with you like our age, our group, like that. So AI applications, we can learn with them, Chat GPT and so many things I practice, but the feeling which right now I am getting from you, we can't get from AI and Chat GPT and all applications.
So, ma'am, if you don't mind, could you please share with me, with the audience, your daily routine? How do you start your
Yeah,
day and how do you end your day?
yeah, sure, definitely. So, yeah, I would like to tell you I am a very like fitness freak person. So every day I wake up, I am an early bird, so I wake up around 5:30, and after that I go for morning walk, half-hour walk. I finished like around 6:15, and after that I come back and start my yoga and 10-minute meditation and 30 minutes yoga. And after that, I start my daily routine like preparing breakfast and all. And after having breakfast, I go to temple every day. I used to go to temple from my childhood. So
You're
every
such a
day
pious
I visit.
lady.
So I visit temple, do prayers, and after that I prepare my lunch. And in afternoon, like around 12:31, I finish my lunch, and in afternoon I do some household chores and listen some motivational speakers, some English conversational videos on YouTube. And I am a like melophile also, so I love to listen especially old songs, 90s songs.
You're a mellophile person.
And in the evening again I prepare my dinner. And yeah, I from 1995, like you can say, 30 years I finish my dinner before sunset every day. Before
You're
sunset,
such
like
a
around
fitness
6.
freak person.
Yeah. Around 6:30 I finish my dinner, and after that 1 hour I do prayers, sit for part and puja and all. So 1 hour I sit for that, and after that, yeah, just I connected with the people, my friends, my colleagues, my relatives, my son also, because he is in USA, so the time is different, na? So when we
Yeah.
have night, so they have morning. So that time my son like call me, and we talk on video call and all. And after 1 hour, around 10, 9:30, maximum 10:30, I
You
like
go to bed.
yeah, I go to bed.
Wow, what a routine. I think many homemakers should learn from your routine who feel they are lonely, they don't have anything to do.
I
And
never feel lonely because many people ask me how you spend your time, but I don't have time. Sometimes I think, oh, I am like running out of my time. Sometimes I
yes,
think more time is there.
you have already incorporated many habits to do. Means
Yeah,
early in the morning you work on yourself for 2 hours almost. Then you cook something for you. You do all the household chores and you prepare lunch. So everything needs time. So you don't have any time for loneliness.
no, yeah. I like I always like keep myself busy in something another. Always. I don't want to
Great,
sit idle
great.
away and watching reels, and I don't have any social media account. I think
Oh,
it's a wasting of time. So I utilize my time in my improving myself. So it I feel like every day I feel I am a better version of myself, you know. So I'm learning and I'm working on that.
very good lesson. Good lesson for all the homemakers who are watching this video out there. And the last thing I just want to ask from you.
Yeah.
After learning this language, what would be your next goal?
Next goal, you can say, because my granddaughter is nowadays she is 10 months old. So I every year I visit my son USA. So their language problem is there. If you know English, then it is okay. Otherwise, you can't
You can't survive.
exist there. You can't survive. And like my aim is like one day I want to talk with my granddaughter in English fluently. So
Of
that's
course
why
you
I am
will.
working on that. Mm.
Even I have also one learner. She's from America, Miss US, and
Okay.
yeah, in 6 p.m. batch, and even she's also 60 plus. Like,
Oh,
yeah, she has two daughters, and both daughters are married, already married.
okay.
Even they have done the love marriage, but is the student of mine. She lives apart from both of them, means with her
Okay.
husband only. But
Okay.
though she has nothing to do, but she always wants to do something.
Yeah. And that is the great way to make yourself always like young. You
Yes,
feel
we should
young. If
have
you
to.
do something
We have to
productive,
accept. We Yes, we have
yeah,
to accept that it's reality. Yes, after growing up, your children or your son, your daughter will be departed away from you.
yeah, right. And age is like just a number. Never feel like we are 60 and 70 and 50. Learning never stop, you know. So if you have a great zeal to
Hmm.
learn, then
Two
you
minutes,
can
two
learn
minutes.
anything at any age. Age is just a number. It doesn't matter you are 50, 60. You can't learn anything. If you have the willpower, you can learn at any age.
And in the villages, what do we think most of the homemakers that who अब तो 30 के हो गए हैं अब क्या करना है अब तो 30 के हो गए हैं like at the age of 30 they feel like they have turned 80 or 90.
Yeah, it depends on the like differ from person to person.
Yeah,
So
it
always
depends.
like always
Perspectives are
surrounded
always
yourself.
different.
Yeah, you should always surrounded yourself by some person like they are eager to learn everything. So we get motivated all the time from those type of people. So always surrounded by the people who are a great learner, because if you are a great learner, then everybody is inspired from you and everybody talk with you, wants to talk with you. But if you
I
are
think
like sitting idle away and
yes,
do
yes, you are
something like
right.
gossiping, nobody like you nowadays. Nobody like you.
You are right. You are right, ma'am. And I think an ideal person should be a learner throughout his life till the end
Right.
phase of his or her life.
Yeah. Yeah. Learning is a lifelong process. If you stop learning, it means your life finished. So
Finished.
always try to
You don't
learning
have
at
any
the
purpose.
last breath.
Purpose is
Sorry.
needed. We should
Yeah.
have a
Purpose is
purpose in a
needed.
life. Without
Right.
purpose, we feel
Exactly.
our life is nothing. We have
Nothing.
nothing to do. We have means our life is totally hopeless. We feel very devastated at that time. But if
Right.
you have
Exactly.
problems, means if you have a purpose, so despite having challenges, despite having problems, we achieve our goal because we just keep
Yeah.
working on it.
Right. Right. Exactly. True.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I really had a very wonderful session with you, and you really energized me a lot. And yeah, definitely after turning 60 or 70, I would keep learning. I would not give up because you
Yeah.
have
That's
taught
the
me a
great thing.
lesson. You have really taught me a lesson.
That's a great thing. And I am also inspired by you. So I pray for your
It's like
bright
a win-win
future. And you
situation.
are,
It's like a win-win situation, give and take.
yeah, you are
Yeah.
great, doing great. And just hope for better and keep it up.